Termux is a terminal emulator and Linux environment app for Android. It also doesn't require you to root your device. Termux installs a minimal base system automatically, and additional packages are available using a package manager, just as you do with Fedora, Debian, or the like. For commands that are mainly we use: 1. Bash for execution current program. 2. CD for choosing current dictionary. 3. ls to view all files and folder. 4. pkg or apt to install any repository. All commands are given at description below. And also related documentation also provided. Installing Termux is as easy as installing any app on your Android device. You can use either the default Google Play Store, or open your browser, search for /Termux. You can download from here. I'm already downloaded the file and installed. If you installed any useless repositories, remove with rm-rf command. Do you want to remove the welcome text on Termux screen? Type cd space ... and enter. ls and enter. Now cd/usr/etc. and enter. ls and enter. Remove the file name who named with motd with the command rm -rf. You can see here, my welcome text has been removed. If you are installed the Termux newly, first do apt upgrade and apt update. It's used to upgrade default packages in your terminal. And also do pkg upgrade and pkg update. It's also upgrade packages in your terminal. Here we go. Install some useful packages. 1. Git. It's used to clone the repositories from GitHub. Command is pkg install git. Then another package is wget. This tool also used to clone the some packages into terminal. Python. It's used to execute the Python programs into the terminal. And the command is apt install Python. And also Python 2. It's also used to execute the Python scripts. Curl is used in command lines or scripts to transfer the data. Command is apt install curl. And Apache. Apache is responsible for accepting directory HTTP requests from Internet users and sending them their desired information in the form of files and web pages. With the help of PHP. Command is apt install PHP Apache. There. We installed some useful packages. And upgraded. Let's install the ngrok. Command 1. pkg install zip wget. And enter. Command 2. This command is given at description below. Copy from that. Command 3. Unzip ngrok-stable-linux-arm.zip. And enter now chmod plus x ngrok. And enter. Here, we need to give the ngrok authentication token. To give the authentication token, open your browser and search for ngrok. Click on first link and sign up with your email. Or you can use temporary email. Here's your authentication token. Copy that and paste into your terminal. Here you got the authentication message. You successfully installed the ngrok. And with successful authentication, here we run the ngrok with the command /ngrok-stable-linux-arm.zip. If you got this error, please turn on the hotspot. Hotspot is mandatory for ngrok in the Termux. Here's the port forwarding link. We will learn how to use the ngrok in the next video. That's all for today. We will meet you soon with part 2. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.